It's no secret that by the end of December 2012, the talk of the news was about the financial cliff. As the months wore on, the Congress finally passed what was called the Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012, which was enacted in 2013. So in this video, we are going to talk about its benefits and how it affects you, the consumer. Greetings, my name is Patrick Phancao with the Asset Protection Center. I am an estate planning attorney focused in the field of asset protection and elder law out in the state of California and Florida. Now before I begin, I hope you guys enjoyed the change of scenery. I thought it would spice things up. See, the law isn't ever that boring after all. So what is the Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012? Basically, it brought the estate and gift tax debate to a close, and it had some sense of permanence. I mean, nothing lasts forever, but you have the notion that it's going to last several years. So let's talk about the key points that it entails for you, the client. First and foremost, the estate tax will be kept at what it was at 2012, which is at $5 million. It was actually brought up for inflation purposes, so I believe it's 5.125 million or something close to that number. And it will change every so often, every year for inflation purposes. The gift tax exclusion was also left at $5 million. Another added benefit is that, not another benefit, what it brought upon us or the families that have assets over 5 million, it changed the estate tax from 35% to 40%. So let's say that as an individual you own $6 million, I'm sorry. Upon your passing, 5 million of it would go to your beneficiaries free and clear, but that $1 million extra, the one that reaches to 6 million, instead of being taxed at 35%, would now be taxed at 40%. So that's $400,000. So you still want to do some estate tax planning if you're above that threshold. Finally, it kept the Portability Act, which is where the surviving spouse is able to use the benefit of the decedent's portion of the estate tax that wasn't used. So let's say that you are talking about a $3 million estate tax upon one of the persons passing away, and during the surviving spouse lifetime, that estate grows from 3 million to 7 million. Well, that $2 million that wasn't used is able to be used by the surviving spouse. In technical terms, within the legal industry, it's called the Clayton election. So just a little additional information, I suppose. So I hope you found this helpful. If you want to find out more, visit us at assetprotectioncenter.com, or if it's a pressing matter, call me, 714-966-2646, and I'll be happy to discuss the details of this act. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.